औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, उम्मीद है कि आप सब लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज हम पढ़ेंगे क्लास 9 इंग्लिश का चैप्टर नंबर 1 है हमारे पास हज़रत मोहम्मद रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम अ मर्सी फॉर ऑल क्रिएशन। इसके क्वेश्चन हमारे लास्ट वीडियो में हो गए थे। आज हम करेंगे इसके एडिशनल क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास, व्हाट इज़ हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम नाउ फॉर ह्यूमन सिविलाइजेशन। Hazrat Muhammad is recognized as the most revered figure in human civilization. He epitomized justice and compassion. He was so advocate of knowledge. His teaching and preaching have served as a beacon of light for humanity, offering a matchless model of wisdom, kindness, and generosity. His legacy is seen as a universal testament to the importance of education, peace, and well-being of communities. Next question हमारे पास, what were some sequences mentioned in the Sunnah for treating animals poorly or kindly? The Sunnah provide clear examples of the consequence of for one treatment of animals poorly or kindly. A woman was condemned to hellfire for her cruel treatment of a cat. Conversely, a man was forgiven for his sin as a reward for quenching the thirst of a dog. This example reflects the value of compassion toward all living things in Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam teaching. Next question देखते हैं. How did Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam respond to the Nomad who voluntarily grabbed his cloak and demanded wealth? Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam responded with remarkable composure, self-control, and kindness. He turned to the man, greeting his harsh behavior with a smile, and interested that the man given aid. This initiate show his incredible patience and forgiving nature, even in the face of disrespect and aggression. Next question हमारे पास, what effect did Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam lenient behavior have on people? Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam lenient and compassionate behavior have a transformative effect of this around him. People were impressed and they embraced Islam. His kindness made his teaching more accessible and appealing. Demonstrating harshness and cruelty would have driven people away. Next question हमारे पास, what was Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam treatment of prisoner of war, especially days from Battle of Badr? Even in the context of warfare, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam exhibited unparalleled compassion and fairness. The prisoner of Battle of Badr were treated with utmost respect and care. His treatment was reflective of his guiding principle of kindness and mercy. The literate prisoners were asked to teach the Muslim and they were promised freedom. Next है हमारे पास, what prompted Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to migrate to Medina? The non-believer of Makkah has become severe enemies of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They were harsh and cruel. They wanted to kill the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When the hostile environment in Makkah had become unbearable, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam received a revelation from Allah entrusting him to leave Makkah and move to Medina. उसके बाद चलते हैं हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ. How did Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam treat the non-believers of Makkah after conquering Makkah? After the peaceful conquest of Makkah, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam demonstrated remarkable nobility and forgiveness towards the non-believer of Makkah. Despite their years of hostility, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam forgave them and offered them amnesty. Human history is unable to find any example like this. Next question, what was Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam stance on the treatment of women during his time? Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam treatment of women during his time was revolutionary and marked by a profound sense of respect, honor, and dignity. In a society where women was often marginalized and mistreated, Hazrat Muhammad campaigned their rights and elevated their status to equality with men. equality with men. Hazrat Muhammad sallam emphasized the importance of treating women with kindness and compassion. Next question हमारे पास, how did Hazrat Muhammad sallam react with the saw a child crying? He saw a child crying. Hazrat Muhammad sallam exhibiting great compassion and empathy towards children. Muhammad sallam would comfort and console a crying child. He showed an emotional connection with children and their feelings. He would not ignore their cries. He respected children's emotions and treated them with dignity. He acknowledged their feelings and did not dismiss their tears as insignificant. Next question की तरफ चलते हैं. What is importance of kindness? Kindness is a powerful and essential virtue that enriches individual lives and strengthens the fabric of society. It nurtures a culture of compassion and empathy. Kindness makes the world a better place for everywhere. Indeed, Allah is with those who fear Him and those who are doers of good. Sunnah and Nabi Hazrat Muhammad sallam said, "The best among you are those who have the best manner and character." Sahih Bukhari. He who is deprived of kindness is deprived of goodness. Sahih Muslim. The best way to find yourself is lose yourself is the service of others. Aristotle. Kindness word can be short and easy to speak, but their echoes are truly endless. Mother Teresa. Next question की तरफ चलते हैं. What is the status of women in Islam? Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam elevated the status of women in society by granting them an honor and dignity equal to men. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam established their right in accordance with the commandment of Allah. Women in Islam have the rights to own, inherit, or manage property. Islamic law recognizes the right of women to consent to marriage and to receive the dowry from their husband. Women have the rights to participate in the social, political, and public life. Islamic history records examples of women who held significant roles, including scholars, leaders, and warriors. यहाँ पे हमारे जो एडिशन क्वेश्चंस हैं वो ख़त्म होते हैं. अगर आपको इसमें कोई भी कन्फ्यूजन है तो आप मुझे ज़रूर बताएं और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें एंड शेयर करें. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो.